Good morning, everybody. Today, what we have accomplished so far is I wired in my buzzer for my kickstand so that when the kickstand's down, the buzzer goes on. So that'll happen instantaneously as soon as the ignition's on. Let's see, ignition's off. Okay, so there you have it. As soon as the kickstand goes down, that sucker goes off. So when I come in, I'll probably turn off the bike to put the kickstand down. But the main reason for this buzzer is so that when I'm starting up in the morning, or if I'm stopping and talking to somebody, and the kickstand's down, I got to make sure the ignition's off. And then I can't drive off. As soon as the ignition goes on, that should go on. So anyway, that's on with the ignition off. Shit. So that means that's not going through the ignition. Might have to rethink that. And then the other thing is I finally got the speedometer mounted. So there's the speedometer, everything's mounted on it. So that's done for now. Yeah, and other than that, I think, I'm not sure why that's on with the ignition off. Maybe I'll trace that out. Anyway, so that's it for right now. I just wanted to give you a quick progress report, and we will be moving on. Also, we got a few things to put back on, but and clean up the wiring now. So that's pretty much where we're at. It'll be cleaning up the wiring, put like this thing here goes, this is a protector for the kickstand, for the brake light switch. So that'll go back on now. And I'm going to start kind of putting my plastics back on, at least partially, so that the bike starts looking more like a bike. I think I'm done. Well, I'll be done as soon as I figure out exactly which wire this one is, because I would like to have that on the ignition switch. Anyway, we'll see. All right, talk to you guys later. Aloha. Well, good afternoon, everybody. I just thought I'd bring you back, show you what we got done today. It's been actually a really good day. Got a lot of stuff done. I've got all the wiring wrapped up and cleaned up, and I put all the plastics back on the bike, mounted the speedometer. Here's, you can see we got these bolts here, the speedo's mounted. So the only two things I think I've got left to do are to remount my windshield, and then put the skid plate on. And let's see, I've got one bracket that I'm painting in paint right now. It's drying, so I just primed it, and it's the bracket. Actually, I'll show you where it's going to go. But this bracket will come off of here, comes out, and it'll hold the bottom of my plastics. So that's pretty much it, and the wiring is fairly cleaned up. I'm not sure what else. Well, I haven't hooked everything. Actually, I have hooked everything up, and so I believe I've got a clip of the kickstand now operating. The buzzer on the kickstand comes on when the power goes on to the unit. So That's good. So as soon as I'm ready to leave in the morning, I turn on the bike. The kickstand will be making noise, and at that point, I hope to be ready to go. And I've mounted the I've mounted the battery. I mean the tank, just so I can actually pull the seat in just the tank, and then drop the battery down in here. I'll have to see if I need to take more off, just because I'm not sure if I have to do any fabrication for this. I do have some plastic that I want to lay in here to put the battery on. So anyway, we're all done. I went ahead and remounted the LEDs up front because I got an extra set. I do have to, the only thing I'll be waiting on that, it'll be the LED flasher. And then shoots. That's pretty much it. Other than the windshield and the skid plate and this mounting bracket here, we're done. So yeah, I'm kind of stoked. So then it's a matter of waiting on the battery, and that could be 3 weeks to 3 months, depending on how soon they ship it out of China and how good they are at getting things out. I know it does take a long time from China, but I guess they ship it and it comes straight here to the islands. It doesn't go to the mainland. So anyway, so that's kind of the gist of what the bike's going to look like now. She's looking more like she used to, and I think she's a hell of a lot lighter too. So one other thing I was thinking is, if I can get a neck charger on the bike, I may be able to mount it right in the gas cap, and then I can just unscrew the gas cap and put my charging right in there, which would be kind of cool. It'd be nice to be able to go around the island, some of the farther rides, and be able to stop and charge it. But anyway, that'll come later. I do have some things to deal with there. So yeah, just got to take this off to mount the seat permanently, and I will have to take the battery back, the tank back off to mount it, but to put the battery in. So okay, well, that's where we are, and I'll probably come back and give you one more shot once I get the skid plate on, the windshield on, and get that bracket on. And so there you have it. That's pretty much the bike in a nutshell now. So yep, I get to clean up around here and kind of park my tools for a while. Got lots to do around the property anyway, mowing and stuff, so not without things to do. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later, and aloha, and we'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Anyway, aloha.